Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye, my Rasta family. It's time to make history. Oh, me stand on the shore, me watch the tide. Babylon wall soon can't hide. The ocean whisper secret plan. Wash the chains from every man. Them build fence pon the land and sea. But nature laugh say you can't trap me. Them count dollar, me count star. Them chase power, me go far. Me say every voice matter, every beat count. When truth rise up, can't hold it down. Them say sit quiet, know your place. But me drum talk loud in a them face. Every river run to the ocean. Every heart carry revolution potion. Me now wait, me not delay. Tidal wave come wash them away. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. Me say fi the youth them hungry fi light. Me chant songs fi guide them nights. No school teach what elders know. Me pass the wisdom so it grow. Them take we culture, them take we song. Remix it wrong fi play along. But me come with the roots so pure. Me lyrics heal, me music cure. Them can't bribe me with fame or deal. Me heart firm like Jah steel. Them media twist, them camera lie. But me spirit can't comply. Me ride the wave with every verse. Me chant blessing, me chant curse. Fi shake the system to its core. Open up every locked door. Every elder tell me tale. Oh, Babylon try but always fail. Me step strong, me walk proud. Me voice a wave, me chant loud. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. The moon pull tide, the people rise. We not fooled by sweet disguise. From ghettos to the hills so high. The chant echo in a night sky. Me see artist, me see sage. Every voice a light fi stage. Me not come with hate or war. Me come with truth, me come with star. Them can't silence what Jah create. Me voice ordained fi liberate. Me nah need no gun, no blade. Me word sharp and me lyrics parade. So me say when Babylon sink below, the tidal wave still glow. A light for the youth, a guide for the old. A story of freedom forever told. Zion echoes, ride the wave. Carry the flame. Zion smoke fire in the jungle. The system tremble when me step in. Me words sharp like lightning. Them say behave, me say never. Me fight for truth, me fight for ever. Them tell we vote but all them lie. Me say look Babylon in a eye. From ghetto corner to uptown high, the rebel wave rise like the tide. Me say the youth them wake now, brainwash can't hold them down. Me say the elders chant still, rebel fire can't kill. We not slave, we not fool. Me say Jah give we the real tool. Me say love, me say rage. Me say open your mind cage. Wave of rebels sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. The media blindfold the truth, but me lyrics reach the youth. Me say school not teach survival. Me say read, grow your vital. Them put camera on every street, but me say soul them can defeat. Me walk with lion in a me chest. Me na bow, me give me best. Me say hustle for freedom, not gold. Me say carry the story untold. Me say dance under the moonlight. Celebrate love, celebrate right. Me say with the wave, with the storm. Rebel heart break every norm. From sound system to mountain top. Me say rebel music can't stop. Boom, me feel it rise. Rebel fire like the skies. Them can't block the movement, no. It come like river overflow. Me say the beat inside me bone. Every street me call it home. Me say all hands come near. The rebel wave can't disappear. Hammer, sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. Me say from Africa to Caribbean, the rebel song reach every man. The youth rise up, the system shake. This wave of love not fake. Me say unity, me say voice. Me say freedom is a choice. Me say break chain, me say build. Me say teach love to the child. No more war, no more greed. Me say plant hope, grow seed. Me say rebel heart over fear. Me say truth echo everywhere. Wave of rebels we roll on. Me say till the break of dawn. Me say chant, me say fight. Me say rebel light shine bright.
Zion echoes. It's go shock time, oi oi oi. Ganja burning, feeling fine. In the air, the rhythm flow. Jah guide we, let the spirit grow. Me step in the dawn, morning glow. Sun arise, watch the fire show. Velarka by my side, him light the spliff. We chant the truth, no need for shift. Me know the way, me know the vibe. Jah teachings keep me alive. Roots run deep like the old sound. Me chant the rhythm, me stand me ground. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs we find the truth. In the reggae we live the youth. Babylon a try, but we stand tall. We rise above them lies and fall. The bassline thunders in the streets. In every step we feel the beat. Me take the herb, me meditate. Find the peace, me elevate. Me vision clear, me journey true. Me walk the path, just set for we two. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs, we find the truth. In the reggae, we live the youth. Me see the stars, me feel the light. Jah's blessings shine so bright. With the smoke, me fly so free. Reggae sound, I carry me. Me chant the rhythm, me sing the song. In Jah's love, we all belong. Together we rise, together we fight. In the power of the herb we take flight. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs, we find the truth. In the reggae, we live.
Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. High grade me say me I meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. Give me the ganja, the Cali gold, the OG kush where the wise man hold. Me plant me seed in the Jaja soil. For every little youth where I work and toil. Babylon try fi lock with chain, but the herb a free up, ease me brain. Light up the spliff, make me talk to Jah. Me spirit high, like a shooting star. Let me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. Me walk on the street with me herb in hand. Sativa make me strong like the roots in a the land. Me no care where Babylon want fi say. Jaja herb bless the night and day. With the green crack me a blaze for sure. Me heart feel clean, me spirit pure. Every little puff make me rise up high. Jah love surround me, me can't deny. Purple haze are the remedy. Wake up me soul, me energy. Me no deal with negativity. I love we share universally. So pass me the chalice, me light the flame. Call pan Jaja, chant his name. Me no need riches, me no need fame. Herb inna me heart, the truth remain. Hide when me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push me no carry no hate. Ay, ay, ay. Cali Kush inna the paper. Yeah, man. Inna the city where the light blind, me walk through Babylon, clear me mind. Them build up wall, me break it down. Them say me fool, me say me crown. The roots run deep inna me soul. From the elder story to the drum roll. Them want we blind by glitter and gold. But me say truth, me nah be sold. Me say ghetto youth rise up strong. Know your power, know your song. Them sell illusion on every screen. But me say life, nah play machine. Me say rebel from me heart. Nah play no puppet part. Me say Babylon your time short. Me say revolution a art. Roots of rebellion hear me call. From the slum to the kingdom hall. We nah kneel, we nah fall. We rise up, one and all. Roots of rebellion, feel the fire. Lift your voice, lift it higher. We nah go back, we nah tire. Jah people blaze like a choir. They say every youth a warrior breed. Plant your mind like righteous seed. Them tell lie in the news feed. But me say action over greed. Me say grandmother wisdom still alive. Teach we how fi work and thrive. Them want control, me say break chain. Dance in a sunshine, dance in a rain. Me say every system must fall. The bigger the tower, the harder the call. Me say unity in every block. From Kingston straight to Bangkok. Can you hear the drum beat rise? Can you feel it shake the skies? Can you see the people wise? Jah love open up your eyes. Me say no more fear, me say no more cage. Me say youth man step on stage. Me say chant it loud, me say make your mark. Me say light it up from dark. Roots of rebellion hear me call. From the slum to the kingdom hall. We nah kneel, we nah fall. We rise up, one and all. Roots of rebellion, feel the fire. Lift your voice, lift it higher. We nah go back, we nah tire. Jah people blaze like a choir. Me say Babylon crumble when we unite. Me say one love, one aim, one fight. Them say divide, me say connect. Them say reject, me say respect. Me say Mother Earth cry out loud. Me say lift the veil, drop the shroud. Them can't stop the reggae wave. Me say sound system set the brave. Me say the rhythm of me weapon strong. Me say me spirit a dancehall song. Me say keep your head up, never bow. The time for justice I know. Roots of rebellion, it can't die. Me say truth spread across the sky. Me say from the roots to the fruit. Jah people stand firm in truth. Zion roots, ay ay ay. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show.
Through the herbs, just truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. Me walk through Jahs Garden, see the fruit so sweet. Every plant grows strong from the earth beneath. The herbs are healing, the flowers are peace. In Jah's creation, our joys increase. Me touch the soil, me soul align. In Jahs Garden, love divine. We rise in unity, we fight the fight. Jahs Garden, guide us through the night. With each step, the world unfold. In Jahs Garden, we never grow old. Me harvest the seeds from the earth so true. In Jahs Garden, we make art anew. The herbs, the fruit, the life inside. With Jah's love, we need not hide. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow. With every seed, a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow. With every seed, a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. Me see the people, their faces so bright. Jahs Garden gift, the purest light. In the rhythm of life, in the dance of the sun, we free our soul, we feel so fun. Me give thanks every day for Jah's reign. Through the earth, we end the pain. With Jah by my side, our love combined. Me walk in Jahs Garden, forever divine. In Jahs Garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jahs Garden, we save the soul.
Yeah, man, Rastafari brother is so high. Me rise up strong with Lionheart. From the ghetto where the struggle start. Them say me small but me carry weight. Me words are break down Babylon gate. Them spread division, me spread love. Them say control, me say rise above. Them push poison, me plant seed. Them say profit, me say people need. Me say no chain pa me thought. Me say free mind can't be bought. Them say bow, me say stand. Me say hold firm with your hand. Me say chant for the youth and the corner. Me say bless the mother and the farmer. Me say build bridge, me say break wall. Me say lift up every soul that fall. Lionheart Anthem me roar. Break down system to the core. No fear no shadow, no fear no man. Me march in a truth with Jah plan. Lionheart Anthem me sing. Freedom song let it ring. Across the land, across the sea. Lionheart rise for victory. Me say me walk through the fire, but me nah burn, me rise higher. Them say me mad, me say me free. Them lock door, me finding key. Me say no slave to the digital chain. Me say no vice fi Babylon gain. Me say me dance pan concrete ground. Me say shake up system with sound. Me say teach the youth fi think clear. Nah follow hype, nah follow fear. Me say every youth a lion strong. Me say beat drum sing the song. Them say hush, me say loud. Them say last, me say proud. Me say Lionheart in every chest. Me say give the poor man best. Can you feel the thunder roll? Can you hear Jah call the soul? Me say rise up, me say unify. Me say we not go bow, we not comply. Me say burn down illusion fast. Me say build up love that lasts. Me say me not stray from the path. Me say me hold tight Jah craft. Lionheart Anthem me roar. Break down system to the core. Nah fear no shadow, nah fear no man. Me march in a truth with Jah plan. Lionheart Anthem me sing. Freedom song let it ring. Across the land, across the sea. Lionheart rise for victory. Me say no more silence in a street. Me say the heartbeat sound complete. Me say me carry ancestors a cry. Me say rebel till the day me die. Me say every verse a revolution. Me say every chorus a solution. Me say uplift every fallen one. Me say remind them Jah kingdom come. Me say the fire blaze in a me vein. Me say dance away the pain. Me say chant from sun to moon. Me say rebel song coming soon. Lionheart rise now retreat. Me say love conquer every beat. Me say we not stop, we not fade. Me say Babylon wall can't shade.
Zion roots, Kingston cushion at the paper. Whoa, whoa, yeah. We free, just set me spirit free through the trials of life. We living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can't nobody defeat. Me walk this earth with the light of Jah. Me feel the fire burning, me no need no law. Me heart liberated, me soul unchained. In the truth of Rastafari, no fear remain. We come from the struggle, from the pain, but Jah keep us strong, give we wisdom fi gain. In every storm, Jah hold us tight. In Jah's name, me shine the light. From the smoke of the herbs to the songs we sing. We free like the birds, we fly on wings. Through the chains of oppression, through the force of the beast. We rise as one, find the greatest peace. We speak the truth, the message clear. In every jazz fire, we have no fear. Rasta people unite, together we stand. In Jah's love, in Jah's land. No Babylon system can crush the sound. In Jah's glory, we truly found. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. In Jamaica's breeze, me feel the peace. True Jah's blessings, all pain cease. From the island breeze to the dancehall beat. Rasta army march to the heart's heartbeat. The herbs are flow, the knowledge increase. We stand together in love and peace. From the city street to the countrywide. We free in Jah's love, no need to hide. Through the fire of the heart, the soul awake. No looking back, only forward we make. Through the storm we survive, we see the truth. In Jah's spirit, me feel the youth. Me no need fi be told, me no need fi be free. Jah's love is the answer for all me to see. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat.
lion roots. Moonberry in my pocket. Yeah, man. On the mountain peak where the silence sing, the whole Jah herb feel the spirit within. The cool breeze whisper the ancient truth. Herb in me and the eternal root. Me gaze upon the stars, Jah guide and shine. Every puff a journey to the divine. The chalice blaze in the sacred glow. Mountain herb prayer make the blessings flow. Oh Jah, hear me champ on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. The elders gather with wisdom wise. The herb make the soul reach Jah skies. The mountain hold the secret of time. Every leaf a key to the holy rhyme. Them try to destroy, but Jah herb grow. Through the hardest ground, the roots still show. Babylon can't stop what Jah create. The herb make the humble elevate. Pass the chalice round, make the fire light. Herb meditation in the heart of night. The mountain echo the holy refrain. Herb chant make the wicked restrain. Oh Jah, hear me chant on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. Forever me climb the heights unseen. Mountain herb prayer keep me spirit clean. Jah guide my path with the sacred flame. Forever chanting Jah holy names. Kiss me face, rebel fire run through me base. Them say calm down, but me say no way. Me lyric sharp like a lion, pray them build a system fi mash we flat, but me spirit rise like coconut tree top. Me say Babylon push, but me push back. Me heart beat heavy like a thunderclap. The youths on the corner say life hard. Me tell them youth you a true yard guard. Me say nah get lost in a vanity. Me say hold tight to humanity. Me say rebel fire blaze the night. Me say chant the psalms, hold the light from Kingston Street to Addis Ababa. Me say Jah warriors now wear Prada. Rebel fire in a me veins burn out Babylon chains. Me say free your mind, free your soul. Rebel fire take control. Rebel fire rise and dance. Me say this year the rebel chants from ghetto lane to uptown heights. Rebel fire light up the night. Me walk through shadow, me fear no man. Me hold Jah hand, me stand strong. Them say me crazy, them say me wild, but me say me just Jah child. Them sell illusions on a silver screen, but me say me live for what is seen. Me say me looking at your eye, me see pain. Me say me sing until you break the chain. Me say one love, me say one aim. Me say nah play no Babylon game. Me say roots deep in the soil. Me say rebel soul, me not spoil. Them try to silence me sound, but the melody too strong. Me say beat the drum, justice come. Me say me beat the rebel drum. Me say the elders say hold the line. Me say me chant for the deaf and blind. Me say the mountain high, me not afraid. Me say Babylon shade can't feed me blade. Me say love your neighbor, love your brother. Me say we walk through stormy weather. Me say build back the village strong. Me say sing one world one song. Me say roots rock, reggae flow. Me say rebel fire make the garden grow. Rebel fire nah go dim. Me say chant your freedom hymn from morning sun to evening moon. Rebel fire light up the tune. Zion echoes, oh Jah, me call upon your name. Inna the dark, your light still remain. We walk through the valley, me not feel no pain. Me know you're there near, your blessings are rain. Me see the struggle pon my brethren face. Them a fight for survive in a Babylon place. System a wicked, them not show no grace. But me hold me faith, me not lose me pace. Jah guide me, keep me firm, show me the lesson, make me learn. Me nah go stray, me nah go turn. From the fire, me soul still burn. Me remember the days when me never have none. Bare hungry nights, me can't see the sun. Them lock off the water, them take away the light. Yet me still give thanks for the breath in me lungs. Them tell me fi bow, them tell me fi run. But me know say Jah work never left undone. The wicked a plot, but them plan can't last. Me hold me meditation, me future can't crash. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in a the most high hand. Jah guide me way, me rise each day. Me chant psalms, me kneel and pray. Though Babylon fight, them can't take me soul. Jah carry me through, me reach me goal. Me say money can't buy salvation. Me nah sell out for the plantation. Me prefer walk with Jah whole meditation. Chant psalms and hold the vibration. Them want see we fall, but we rise up tall. With love in our heart, we a break them wall. We now go stop, we a chant it all. Righteousness are the final call. Me see me brethren them straight on the road. Some a sell them soul, some a carry heavy load. Me tell them hold the faith, never lose control. Jah dey a him a take full patrol. Me know say the journey rough and wild, but Jah shine him light pon the little child. Me nah go fear, me nah go hide. Jah dey pon me left and me right hand side. No matter how them try fi test me, Jah bless me, them can't oppress me. Me stand pon the rock so them can't contest me. Chant the holy words, them can't dispossess me. Them plan up a scheme, but Jah crush the dream. Truth and rights are the only regime. We are stepping at the light pon the righteous team. Me say rise up the youths, make them self-esteem. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in a the most high hand. Jah light shine bright in a me soul. No matter how the journey unfold, we are march to the promise, never lose control.
Oh yes, Zion echo, brighter than a reef on the RASTA way. Yeah. Herbal Blessings Flow, it guide me every day. Pass the chalice round, make the fire ignite. Still I see I bless under moonlight with me northern lights. Me a travel far, the herb of the Blessings flow. The herb keep we pure. The Rasta man chant. Jah vibes endure. Herbal meditation a Jah design. Blaze it up high, make the fire shine. Zion roots. Me hear the whispers in the morning breeze. The earth a call we, me feel the ease. The mountains a speak, the rivers a sigh. Me feel the spirit of the earth, me can't deny. Them try to silence we, but we rise again. Inna the roots we find the strength to ascend. Me walk with Jah, me walk with truth. Me hear the echoes of the ancient youth. The trees them sway, the sky turn red. Me look to the heavens, me see what's ahead. The fire burn, the lightning strike. Me follow the rhythm of the earth's delight. Echoes of the earth call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone. The wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the soil beneath my feet. Me chant the rhythm, me heart beat sweet. Inna the struggle, me find my peace. From the earth, me find release. Me walk through the valleys, me walk through the rain. But the earth guide me, me feel no pain. Me see the future, me see the past. Inna the echoes, my soul will last. The stars are shine, the moon so bright. We rise together, we stand for the light. Me know my purpose, me know my way. Me listen to the earth, me hear what she say. Echoes of the earth, call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone, the wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the heartbeat of the world a pound. Me hear the echoes all around. The earth speak truth, me can't deny. In her rhythm, we learn to fly. Them try to bind we, them try to chain. But the earth free we from the pain. In every tree, in every leaf, me find my solace, me find my relief. Me see the truth in the earth's eyes. The system a crumble, we rise to the skies. The earth a guide, the earth a friend. With every echo, my soul transcend. Echoes of the earth. Zion roots. Me walk through the storm, me walk through the rain. Me feel the weight of the world on me brain. Babylon's chains try to bind me soul, but me rise up, me take control. Me see the people suffer, me see them fall, but Jah's wisdom call me to stand tall. In every whisper, in every breeze, me hear the voices of the ones who please. Them try to break me, try to steal me light, But me know me power, me know me fight. Me chant the truth, me chant the song. Together we rise, together we strong. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of freedom from the past to the now. We break the chains, we make a vow. In the light of truth, we see the way. Echoes of freedom, we rise today. Me walk through the darkness, me walk through the lies. Me see the truth in all the people's eyes. Babylon crumble, me see the fall. We rise together, me hear the call. The chains of oppression, we break them down. Together we stand, we take the crown. In every step, me feel the fire. Me rise up, me climb higher. Me feel the strength of the earth below. Me chant the rhythm, me let it flow. From the hills to the valley deep, we rise together, me soul leap. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of freedom from the past to the now. We break the chains, we make a vow. In the light of truth, we see the way. Echoes of freedom, we rise today. Me hear the voices of the ancestors call, telling me rise, no matter the fall. In the fire, in the rain, me feel the struggle, me feel the pain. But Jah give me vision, Jah give me strength. Me rise up tall, me rise to length. Me see the future, me see the light. Together we fight, together we unite. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Me rise every morning, me see the light. Me know me journey, me feel so right. Me step with Jah, me step with pride. Me trust in the rhythm, me no need to hide. Me walking at the morning, the sun on me face. Me follow the path, me set me place. Me chant for Jah, me chant for the road. Me walk with Jah, me know me load. Me know me mission, me know me goal. Me walk with Jah, me feel the soul. Me rising at the struggle, me rising at the heat. Me face every challenge, me never defeat. The journey long, but me walk in the truth. Me trust in the wisdom, me trust the youth. Me walk with the elders, me hear the sound. Me follow Jah, me stay the ground. Journey of the spirit, me rise so high. Me walk with Jah, me touch the sky. Journey of the spirit, me find me way. Me walk with Jah, me live the day. Me step through the fire, me step through the flame. Me face every trial, me call Jah's name. Me chant for the courage, me chant for the strength. Me rise with Jah, me go the length. Me trust in the rhythm, me trust in the beat. Me walk with Jah, me stay on the street. Me know the power of the herbs and the tree. Me rise in the morning, me feel so free. Me no look back, me no look ahead. Me live in the know, me know me stead. Me trust in the vision, me trust in the flow. Me walk with Jah, me let the rhythm grow. Me face the pressure, me face the strain. But me trust in Jah, me feel the game. Me rise above the darkness, me rise above the fight. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the light. Journey of the spirit, me rise so high. Me walk with Jah, me touch the sky. Journey of the spirit, me find me way. Me walk with Jah, me journey continue, me stay in the flow. Me walk with Jah, me let the love show. Me rise in the spirit, me rise in the truth. Me walk with Jah, me know the youth. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Zion echoes, oh. Zion echoes, oh. Light the herb, we start the vibe. We smoke the green, we feel the stride. We rise above, we break the chain. We chant for the herb, me free from the pain. We smoke a rise, me hot in the sky. We feel the rhythm, we no wonder why. We pass the chalice, we feel the heat. We move through the streets, we find the beat. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the soul. Me live for the herb, me stay in the role. Herb is me guide, me rise through the night. Me smoke the green, me feel the light. Me move through the smoke, me chant the sound. Me live for the herb, me pass it round. Me roll the spliff, me light the flame. Me chant the name, me feel the same. Me smoke the weed, me rise through the stress. Me find me peace, me feel the bless. Me pass the chalice, me pass the truth. Me chant for the rhythm, me stay in the youth. Me rise to the top, me feel the grace. Me live for the herb, me find me place. Herb is me guide, me rise through the night. Me smoke the green, me feel the light. Me move through the smoke, me chant the sound. Me live for the herb, me pass it round. Me step in the circle, me feel the beat. Me blaze the green, me move the feet. Me chant for the herb, me chant the sound. Me free from the pain, me feel the ground. Me smoke the ganja, me feel the fire. Me rise above, me go higher. Me live for the peace, me pass the flame. Me chant the rhythm, me call the name. Herb is me guide, me rise through the night. Me smoke the green, me feel the light. Me move through the smoke, me chant the sound. Me live for the herb, me pass it round. Me light the herb, me rise through the top. Me smoke the green, me never stop. Me live for the herb, me find me way. Me chant the rhythm, me pass the day. Zion Ganja anthem, light up the flame. Call Jah name, me no play no game. With me durban pies in me rise again. The Herbal guide me on the righteous lane. Me roll a spliff and me sight the truth. The Herbal guide me to heal the youth. So a diesel a spark me bring. The vision clear, me escape the pain. Babylon system them can't comprehend. The Herbal the message where Jah send. We Make me fire OG, me a chant the psalm. Me soul feel free, me heart stay calm. Ganja anthem light up the flame. Call Jah name, me no play no game. With me urban poison, me rise again. The Herbal guide me pon the righteous lane. The Herbal blessing, it can't be wrong. The healing power keep me strong. With me kush cake, me a meditate. Give thanks for Jah herb, me can debate. From the hillside green to the concrete town, Ganja vibes make the love surround. Every little puff me I feel Jah near. Herb bring joy, me no deal with fear. Me no need riches, me no need fame. Jah herb a treasure when none can tame. With me gorilla glue, me spirit a climb to heights where free up the space and time. So blaze the chalice, sing Jah song. Herb unite the weak and strong. The healing flame of the righteous guide. Forever in Jah herb me will reside.
Beside matches, we Ganja and echoes, sing Jah song. Herb unite the weak and strong. The healing flame of the righteous guide. Forever in Jah herb me will reside. I saw in tune of Lick's timeless righteous guide. The feeling.
Jah blessings flow like the rivers of gold. Me heart full of love, me soul never cold. Me feel the light shining through the storm. Me know me safe in the Almighty's arms. Me walk through the valley, me walk through the fire, but me rise up stronger, me rise up higher. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the joy. Me trust in Jah, me never go destroy. Me wake up in the morning, me give thanks to the King. Me see the blessings, me hear the birds sing. Me heart a full, me soul a rise. Me see the beauty when me open me eyes. Me feel the rhythm in the ear all around. Me heart beats steady to Jah's sound. Me see the blessing in the small things too. Me give thanks for the skies, me give thanks for the blue. Jah blessings flow, me feel it in the air. Me know me heart full of love, me know me not scared. Jah blessings flow, me feel it in the breeze. Me walk in the path of Jah, me walk with ease. Me hear the cry of the ones in pain. Me know Jah's mercy will never wane. Me chant for the weak, me chant for the strong. Me keep the faith, me keep the song. Me know the blessings are pour from the sky. Me open me heart, me open me eye. Me see the signs, me see the grace. Me see Jah's mercy all over the place. Me know me not alone, me never in the dark. Me know Jah light shine bright like a spark. Me feel the power from the ground below. Me walk in Jah's love, me walk in the flow. Me walk through the city, me walk through the town. Me spread Jah love, me spread it around. Me see the people smile, me see the joy. Jah blessings for every man, woman and boy. Jah blessings flow, me feel it in the air. Me know me heart full of love, me know me not scared. Jah blessings flow, me feel it in the breeze. Me walk in the path of Jah, me walk with ease. peace. Me sing for the ones lost in the dark. Me sing for the ones searching for a spark. Me sing for the future. Me sing for the now. Me sing for the blessings. Me sing for the vow. Me give thanks for the elders. Me give thanks for the youth. Me give thanks for the strength. Me give thanks for the truth. Me sing for the hope. Me sing for the dream. Me sing for the love. Me sing for the theme. Jah blessings flow. Me never let go. Me walk in the light. Me let the love show. Jah blessings flow. Me heart full of peace. Me rise up with Jah. Me soul never cease.
Me light up the earth, me feel the vibes. Me rise with Jah, me open the skies. Me take a breath, me feel so free. Me know Jah's power, me feel the glee. Me walk through the day, me walk through the night. Me rise with the rhythm, me stay in the light. Me chant for the herb, me chant for the trees. Me feel the healing, me feel the breeze. The smoke in the air, me let it rise. Me feel the energy, me open me eyes. Me no stress, me no worry about tomorrow. Me live in the moment, me no feel sorrow. Me face the world with a smile on me face. Me rise with the herbs, me feel the grace. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me rise with the rhythm, me let it go. Herb in the air, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Herb in the air, me feel the breeze. Me rise with Jah, me let the love peace. Me step in the garden, me see the green. Me know the herb is a healing scene. Me take a puff, me feel the peace. Me trust in Jah, me feel the release. Me no worry about the stress or the pain. Me rise with Jah, me feel no strain. Me light up the herb, me let it burn. Me trust in Jah, me wait, me turn. Me know the power of the herb and the tree. Me feel the strength, me feel the free. Me let the smoke rise, me feel the calm. Me chant for Jah, me rise with the palm. Herb in the air, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Herb in the air, me feel the breeze. Me rise with Jah, me let the love peace. Me feel the herb in the air, so sweet. Me rise with Jah, me stay complete. Me light the herb, me feel the sound. Me walk with Jah, me stay round. The lion roar, me spirit wild. From birth me bless me Jah child. Them try to hold me down in chains, but me rise above the pain. Me see the system built for fail. The youth them lost, the rich prevail. The leaders lie, the people cry. Me see the tears up in them eye. But me nah go bow, me stand up firm. The fire blaze, the tables turn. Me chat the sound, me
trod the road. The rebel spirit never cold. Rebel spirit, unchained and free. Me live for truth, me live for be. The system weak, the righteous strong. Me chant, me song, me trod along. Me ancestors fight, me feel them pain. Them blood still flow like jungle rain. But me rise up firm, me break the chain. We hold the faith, we feel no shame. We call upon Jah, we bundle lies. We see the truth within we eyes. No more war, no more hate. Jah Jah open Zion gate. Whoa, the time is now, the world must see. The righteous ones will set we free. We hold the banner, wave it high. We can't be stopped, we touch the sky. The revolution start today. We light the fire, clear the way. We stand up strong, we march as one. We not go stop till justice done. Oh, the lion roar, the thunder clash. The wicked heart, them turn to ash. We hold the truth, we make it shine. The righteous rule for all of time. The lion roar, me spirit wild. From birth me bless me, Jah Jah child.